So we will be heading now to our island tour today. Ayan na si Kuya. Si Kuya ang aming magiging special ride for today. Okay, hello, Best!
Hello!
So, wala si GoPro. So, ito na lang muna.
We're going to have a
Land tour. So, after island hopping is mag-land tour kami. We'll be visiting how many destinations, Kuya? Three destination, and I think we will skip Octong Cave because it's expensive. The entrance fee is 200 and we can think
Not now. But sooner.
Iniisip namin kung bakit pa kailangan mag-entrance fee yung natural resource natin, no? So our cave is a natural resource. Kailangan pa magbayad ng 200. So I think we will skip Octong Cave and we'll head to as our first destination, Kuya. Okay, our first destination is Mangrove. Actually, this is not my second time visiting here in Bantayan. Let us see if may mangrove pa ba. Meron pang mangrove, no?
If there's something new.
Oh, if there's something new, start of something new, Best.
Yes.
So kung may nabago pa, para kung ulag ata, Best, wala tayong GoPro. Walang GoPro na, sira na yung case niya. Nagdal mo na yung hagang.
A few inches later.
Right now, we're here at the Mangrove
Mangrove.
Garden.
Mangrove. So this is how big is.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
First time niyo pa pagbisita, sir?
Sila ako second na.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Ang Mangrove Eco Park. Isa po ito pinag-shootingan ng Kamsawi. Dito po na area sa Kubuto. Nandito po ngayon sa entrance. 1 kilometro po ang haba ng tulay na pasyalan nyo. Mayroong restaurant sa loob. May signage sa Kamsawi. May bamboo tower. Pag umakyat ka dyan sa bamboo tower, makikita mong laot, yung open area. May 5 car resting area, Camp Wagi, platform. Dito ka naman tumaan pag-exit na. Sa mga cottages, pwede nyo gamitin aming cottage, walang bayad. Pwede po kayo doon umupo kung gusto nyo. Pwede rin kayo magdala ng snack. May restaurant kami, mama, sir. Kompleto po doon. Sa loob po, wala nang bayad. Entrance and shop, 50.
How much is the entrance?
Bumalik kayo sa hapon, wala nang bayad.
50 pesos. Yeah, 50
Thank
pesos.
you! Nakatulong na po kayo sa project. Tapos na yung bayad nyo, 50.
Bert, ano ba nga idudulot ng mangrove?
Mangrove, you know, it helps to the biodiversity of the marine lives. And also, it also helps during the typhoon, storm surge. It can, you know, it will help to the, tawag nito, kung pagbagal or pag ng storm surge, pagpigil.
Lagi na kami nakalayo. Ow! Yes! Hala. Oh, sige, so we will be going to the farthest part of this route. And Best?
Hello!
Ano yung dala mo sa Lafayette, Best?
Ito yung mga pagkain na dapat kakainin ng tao pero ipapakain namin sa isda.
Baka magkayati ay yung mga isda, Best. Dito na kami sa end part. Sa kayo pabalik sa Camp Wagi.
Camp Wagi.
Camp Wagi, yes.
Ay, tambok.
Uy!
Sabi niya.
Sa tambok niya ulit-ulit.
Ay, bagsa na bata.
Hindi ba siya bad bird? Nag-describe lang siya.
Eternity later.
Ayan, so naabutan kami ng ulan. Pero sige lang, we'll head to our next destination, which is the Paradise Beach. Sabi kang roughy road.
Wala sila play. O patag o buwan.
Okay, so we are now here at the Sandira Beach, also otherwise known as Paradise Beach. Magbayad muna tayo ng entrance fee, which is 50 pesos, right Tia? 50 pesos?
Isa.
Isa lang ang resibo ninyo tulo.
Sige, isahan na lang kayo. Basa na ka, Bert.
Basa gikay ko.
Basa na siya. And so we are now here at the Sandira Park. Look at ayan, so we'll be heading to the last destination, which is the ruins. And then my cliff jumping spot din doon. What a view! What a cliff! We're now here, the ruins of the house. At the cliff diving spot. Later on, Bess will be diving again. And oh my gosh, we will wait here. This is our last stop and it is free. Admission is free. Oh, there. Best. Ay, sana all. Sana all. Sana all. Ayan, sige. Sana all. Okay, so this is now the ruins. Oh, ito yon. So, yung ruins is giniba na din nila. I do not know kung paano ba. Siguro sa lindol, no? I do not know bakit nasira siya. So, ito na lang yung remains ngayon ng ruins. Ayan. And then, andyan pa rin yung cliff diving. Pero kaso lang, at this hour, at around 4 p.m. it's low tide. So, delikado mong makyat. Ay, may tumalon. So hanggang photo op na lang ang lahat. Yan. That ends our land tour. It ends here at the ruins. So we will be heading back to the Kota Beach to experience and of course sunset. We need to catch up the sunset.
Yes.
Yeah, so that's all for this vlog for our Bantayan land tour. Thank you. Bye.
Before you go back,